How's it going, everyone? It is Reversal Trader King, and today I want to talk about DJT, Trump Media, and Technology, and I want to go over exactly what I see on the most updated price action as of April 6th, 2024. So, as you guys know, I catch precise bottoms and tops in the stock market. I don't catch the exact, absolute bottom or top because that's impossible, but I can get a good idea exactly where price is going to reverse and using this system that I have uniquely developed, and a lot of other people are using it in my Discord. And a matter of fact, talking about that, if you do want to join the premium Discord and learn about this system and make money for only $6 a month, you are more than welcome to join. You'll get my exact swing trade alerts, where we just had a monster win on BCAN for 30% gain. So do keep that in mind. I'll post that link in the comments below. But let me show you the system first before you decide to do anything to see if this fits your personality. Because what you're going to see is low risk and high reward. Because we're never chasing, we never have FOMO. We do only what the system tells us, so there's no bias of, well, the company should be this share price because of the fundamentals, and we're going to use exactly what the chart tells us, and then I'm going to back test it through so many stocks because this actually works, right? So this is the daily chart, what you're going to see. And in the daily chart, you have my three bands. You have the bottom band is your buy zone. That is where price, you want price to go to be a buy zone, and you want to accumulate your shares. It does not mean you go all in or just get in right away if it's at this. This just means this is where your best risk versus reward for being a bull. And then the upper band is a sell zone. This is where you never want to buy. This is where you would short or buy puts, as this is the greatest advantage of being a bear, because price will revert to the mean, and that is this middle band right here that I'm using, and that is the yellow band. And basically what that's showing is, with this band, price has to go back to it. That's powerful knowledge. We know that. It's just a matter of time, and when I see anything longer than 3 weeks or even a month, then I'm like, okay, we better start getting ready for that reversion to the mean, because actually, as you can see, whenever you have these gaps of not being touched, look at this, a swift candle goes back and touch it, and how convenient, as look at this, when you see a long upper wick above, that upper wick gets shorted and then goes back down, and then it stays around here. But when you see a massive body candle like this, obviously there was a great amount of hype in it, but look at the look at this. So if a short accumulated their shares here, and then the massive drop right in here to hit this reversion to the mean on the middle band here, that is very crucial. And you just got to know, okay, if you didn't know this and you're buying up there, you were just kind of trapped, right? I'm going to see if I can find some other things here. See, these are gaps of the middle band, is what I'm saying. Right in here, another sell zone. Right in here, another sell zone. Look at this massive wick. Buyers can't sustain it, and we go back to the reversion of the mean of the middle band right in there. Right here was a beautiful buy signal right here. You had this massive middle band not getting touched. You were close to the bottom band, and then you would look at the KDJ to make sure that aligns. That is a very nice trade for a nice massive gain. And then I could just keep showing you and showing you and showing you another beautiful buy zone. Look at this gap of not getting touched. Price has to go back to it. The algos will do it. A beautiful buy signal to hurry up and touch this middle band. Set your stop loss right below it to see if you can run it up some more, because just in case if it don't, then you dip your toes again and you ride it out again. So this is what I'm talking about. And then, another sell signal right in here. Price will do this. It's been back tested, and it's more stable on the bigger market cap stocks. So we know what works, and we know what price is doing. This is not random. Price does not move randomly. The algos are very intelligent. They do exactly what they want them to do, and they accomplished their mission right in here. And then they went back. And what I was scared of, what I wanted to see, guys, for the bulls is just from a technical standpoint, can we hold this support on this trend line? Can we hold this support on the daily trend line? A lot of times you'll see it go back to this middle band, and then we get an uptrend. That is a lot of the times what you will see, and I don't think this is the case this time. We clearly are breaking this along with a trend line break. So now our next thing is, okay, we want to make sure we are close to this bottom band. I don't know if it's going to get there, to be honest. That's the thing. I can't tell you it's going to go exactly here. This could take a long time, and it could just diddle-daddle around like in this area. But for me, in my Discord, I would alert the trades, because there's always a trade. And I'll show you an example of one. There's always a trade that is following what I want it to do. Look at this. Long gap on this ticker named Hain, and guess what? We are below the bottom band. So I can always find a trade, and I will trade that stock before DJT gets to where I want it to go. Because that's the beautiful about this system. You can be patient, as there's thousands of stocks that you can trade, and then I'll just keep DJT on my watch list when I have this nice gap of time distance. And when I say time distance, that's this middle band. You want to see something like this, a nice gap of time distance, about 1 to 2 weeks, plus a bottom band touch with a low K on the KDJ, which is this line over here. So that's what I want to reiterate. I know I was telling a lot of people that they're like, DJT is going to $100, and I'm looking at the upper band. I'm like, sure, it can go to $100, have a nice little long upper wick, and it will sell off so fast, right? Just like when people are getting hyped over here. But the thing is it's not really worth chasing these candles here, because if I see exactly what's going on and I see exactly what the algos are doing, a lot of people don't see anything, and this is what they see, along with some other, I don't know what kind of indicators or what. They see this and they think, okay, this is looking really nice. You can see right in here we had this trend line here, but then it broke it here, but then you had a fake out, and then it goes back up. But I mean, the problem with this, you want to buy the right buy zones, right? You don't want to just randomly buy, levels you don't even know of, right? And when we put this on, you get a clear picture of what you're looking at. You get a clear picture. You're not just running blind anymore. You're running with a purpose, and you know when to buy, when to sell, and when to enter, right? So if you guys want to join the premium Discord, this trade is obviously not in the buy zone. I wanted to show you guys the system because a lot of people are asking me about DJT. It's a very popular stock. A lot of people are trading it. But for me and my Discord members, I am not going to alert it due to it not being in a buy zone, and it doesn't have the best upside compared to the risk. So if you guys want to join the premium Discord, what you'll get is my exact swing trade alerts. You get my exact entries, my exact exits, and of how I have been doing this full time. I've been doing this full time for over 6 years to make consistent profits month after month, because I am patient. I wait for my buy zones, and I know when to exit. So if you want a service, that is only $6 a month, and the reason why I do that is because, one, people can try the service out, and two, if you have a small account, you can make a lot of money with only $100 and still cover that $6 fee, as we just made a 30% gain last Friday, and that $100 would have made you $30, covered it easily. But a lot of people have massive accounts and they're making thousands of dollars. It's just part of the nature. More money, more money put in the market, more money you can get. So if you want to join the premium Discord, it's only $6. You'll get my exact system, how to set up your charts just like this. I go over a video that's more in detail. I don't have the time for this. And you get my daily education, and I'm in this channel all day, every day. So if you need anything, you can just ping me. Go down below into the YouTube comments. I'll pin a link that says join the premium Discord for the best trades. And these are the best trades, guys. They have been very consistent. And if I'm willing to put money in, I hope you guys would too, because these trades right here is the money-making trades. And you can accumulate shares, and you don't have to worry about, oh, I just got stopped out. Because these are bottom plays. You can put a massive of money, and we are catching those bottom reversals and reverting it to the mean. So these are very, low risk, high reward type of plays. So if you want to join, go down to the YouTube comments, click the link or the description. And when you join, it'll take you to this free chat landing page. What I want you to guys do next is just go over to this subscription area where I was It's best on computer because you avoid the iOS fee. It'll be slightly cheaper, and just click on any of these channels under the subscription tab and you will be opted in to subscribe. It's very easy. I even have a thing on how to subscribe if you're not used to Discord. But you guys are going to love this. If anything, you are going to learn a lot. And I wish you guys the best in trading. And also, if you like this video on my DJT, how I accurately predicted, precise tops and bottoms and how to make money in this trade. And I will do many other tickers just like this because a lot of people are telling me, I want to see your system on this. And I have no problem doing that. So give it a like, subscribe, comment. That helps me want to keep making videos just like this. And the more engagement, the algorithms spreads it to other users on and how to get more views. So that does help me a lot. And once again, guys, thank you so much for watching. I know your time is valuable, and I really appreciate it. And I really hope to see you guys in the Discord, and let's make some money together. And peace out.